Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your TradingOcta app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, by updating your TradingOcta app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues or errors that might be associated with your app. To do this, you need to find or search for this app either through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore look for this app called Play Store. Open it, and then you will need to search for your app. As you can see, I don't have a search bar on top, but if you click on the search icon here, it will activate search. So I'll just search the app by name. So I'll search TradingOcta, and I'll run the search by just typing out the name. And as you can see, we have TradingOcta app installed. So if I tap on this app, you can see we have an update, which means I've been using an updated version of TradingOcta Smart Trading app. To update it, tap on Update. To download the latest version of TradingOcta Smart Trading app on your smartphone, and finally install it. Once the app is installed, now you have the latest version of this app. You can proceed and tap on Open to start using the latest version of TradingOcta trading app. So that's how you can get the latest version of TradingOcta app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.